Hello everyone, my name is Tommy Marosita. This time I want to sharing about story. The first, the cruise ship story. The sentence, he looked at the rich people while they were eating the most delicious food with sadness. The reason, because he pretended to be a rich man and didn't ask the people around him. The second short story about wisdom. The sentence, he taken order to construction of a large place for him inside the island, and he also ordered the introduction of electricity, water, and air. The reason I like this sentence is because the king was very smart. He ordered construction